human beings considered collectively, the human race, or in other words, mankind, created in the image of Yahweh, formed from the dust, having sound body, soul, spirit, and mind, first made he Adam, the father of all living, placed him in the garden and gave him dominion over everything. Yes, Yahweh's plan began to take shape, for through this man the hope of eternal life would have spring. Because of loneliness, Yahweh made him his wife Eve, who then, because of disobedience, caused not only them, but the whole world to be deceived. This was the point where man began to fail Yahweh. In exchanging the truth for a lie, they went astray. Believing more in the devil than their own creator, they were led away. And this is even the state that man is in today. This then leads me to ask, what is man, O Yahweh, that you are mindful of him, who after all your kindness chose to worship wood and stone? And who is man, that you still care for him, when after feeding him, clothing him, and giving him a home, he runs right back out into the darkness to roam? What is man, that you pursue him with your peace, when even after providing their very breaths, not one turn around to say thanks at least? Who is man, that you shower him with your mercy, when after freeing them from their bondage, they form troops to go back into the hands of the enemy? O Yahweh, who is man, that you still give him your light, guarding his path as a pillar of cloud by day and a pillar of fire by night, and still he refuses to walk straight, leaving your path to wander in the way of sinners like hopeless children without faith? Why should you hear their cry? After rejecting you countless times, don't they deserve to die? Who is man that he thinks he can stand against you? Doesn't he know his life is in your hand and you can destroy him if you wanted to? What is this man, O Yahweh, that no matter what he does, you never neglect, even though he tells you he hates you to your face and treats you with great disrespect? Who is man that comes to you as if you are begging? The earth is yours, you have much in abundance. Without you all is void, and man himself wouldn't have been in existence. Thanks to your word, I know what man is. Man is as grass. 1 minute they are up all high, next minute they just wither away and die. Yes, in 1 second their life can be passed. Man was created from the lowest compound possible, so passing him with Yahweh is impossible. Of Yahweh's grace men are unworthy, for they were born in sin and shapen in iniquity. And when compared to Yahweh, they are 3 times less holy. Man is dust, and his frame is weak. He may feel powerful by the clothes he wears and the way he speaks, but underneath that pride that makes him seem brave is a structure of dust that will soon be